Hey guys, what's going on? It's Blaze here, and today I'm going to be showing you how to easily access your mods on Minecraft using Minecraft Forge, which I will not be showing how to download today, and how you can use one mod at a time. So, it's always such a hassle for me to do percent app data, percent open up Minecraft, open up mods, and then there's all of your mods and stuff. It's always really annoying. So what I did is I just made a shortcut to it with an easy click of a button. So all you gotta do is go new, shortcut, then you gotta go percent app data, percent, actually find that place, and just click Control C to copy it, and Control V to paste it. Next, you need to just type a name for it, and finish. There you go, you have a shortcut to your mods folder to easily put stuff in, drag stuff out. So, there's always a problem for me, because it's always such a hassle for me to have so many mods in my folder, and I have to disable, enable over and over and over, and some of them I rarely even use. So, what I do is I just made a folder, and I just called it the Mods Bank, as you see over here. So I already have one. So, this is a place that you can just easily throw all your stuff in. So you just open stuff, and I'm like, I really just want to play some Jurassic Craft today. Okay, so I'm just gonna grab all of this, throw it in the mods bank, and when I run Minecraft, it'll just be Jurassic Craft that I'm playing. So I don't have to disable, enable, all of that hard stuff. So that's an easy way for you to store your mods and do whatever you want with them. Now, if you guys don't know how to download Minecraft Forge or download any specific mods or anything, I can show you that on a whole new video. But I'd recommend going and looking up a video. That helped me a lot. So leave a like, subscribe for some more content, and as always, have a day.